This is the construction site down here. The crew just quit. So the crew took down those trees, and now here's the floor to the chicken house. So I was just going to put it up on blocks, and then I got to reading and studying. They say to make a barrier so nothing can dig underneath. So I put this big wire down in there. The crew did, and then the crew dug and put some blocks along there. So now when the run is out here, nothing can go underneath the chicken house and dig into the run. So I did it out the back here too, just in case I want to put another run back here, but I didn't dig, the crew didn't dig a hole. So that's the progress on the chicken house. I had a bunch of 2x8s that I've had for about 25 years treated, and then I had 2 there left over from the deck, so I used them, and then I had to buy 2 2x6s. I went with 2x6s instead of 2x8s. It'll be just as good. So that's the progress on the chicken house. Get the crew to cut up these trees, and I'm going to go ahead and try to get the crew to chainsaw this tree into boards. We'll see how that goes. Thanks for stopping in.